People who may have been exposed to hepatitis A at a mountain resort are being urged to contact health officials.
They may have picked up the illness from an infected employee. News 13's Rex Hodge joins us now live from the Western News Center.
And Rex, when were these people at risk and what can they do now?
The exposure would have taken place 5 days at the end of April into the beginning of May. The infected employee was working then at Jackson County's High Hampton Inn. People who ate at the restaurant there should contact health professionals.
We've had several people come in. We went to the High Hampton on Wednesday and did vaccines there for staff.
Paula Carden heads up Jackson County's health department. She's taken several calls about possible exposure to hepatitis A at the High Hampton Inn in Cashiers. An employee there recently diagnosed.
It's very low risk because she was not involved in food preparation at all.
Hepatitis A normally spreads by eating or drinking contaminated items or by close contact with the person infected.
Most people recover and do just fine from hepatitis A, but it is, hand-to-mouth fecal oral route.
As a precaution, people who ate at the Inn's restaurant between April 26th and May 1st are being asked to contact the health department for information about vaccines to help prevent getting sick.
Get gamma globulin or IgG if they're over 40, and if they're under 40, they need to have the Hep A vaccine if they're concerned about it. That's a shot, both are shots.
Carden says that can be done free at the health department, or people can contact their own doctor. Symptoms include nausea and vomiting, possible diarrhea, feeling tired, and jaundice.
But the jaundice is usually what takes people in when their skin or eyes turn yellow.
Carden says 200 people from 20 states ate at the High Hampton Inn during the identified time period.
They did a very good job in running down the names, from the credit card receipts or reservations.
She says nearly all have been contacted. Those potentially exposed could have symptoms now through June 30th, but she says even with the illness, it takes 10 to 14 days for full recovery. And Carden says it may have been as few as 35 or 40 people at the High Hampton Inn who had direct contact with the infected employee. The Inn's general manager had no comment. Reporting live tonight from the Western News Center, Rex Hodge, News 13.